take 2 sticks.
That is some serious rain. That's right, go out there. Because that netting will keep you dry. Did they drill a bigger hole there?
No, he didn't redo it. But I mean, it's going down there. And it's going down there. It's just that there's so much water. It can't cope. Oh, that can't cope either.
But the roof's not leaking. Yeah.
Don't come outside unless you've got wellies on, Tom. Seriously, you can't go down the stairs with slippers on.
Bloody hell.
Oh no.
Is the house flooding?
No. It's alright, Mum.
Have you let her run come out?
Yeah, he was scared.
What? I just played in the blind.
Work.
What? It's not the same.